How you doing, guys? Today I want to show you how I cut a consistent 16 inches in firewood. I've made a video like this before, but I've upgraded my tool, and this is something anybody can do. And a lot of people out there selling firewood need to do this. What I got here is an automotive magnet. You know, it's used for pulling nuts and bolts out of your motor that you can't reach, that you might have dropped. But what I use it for is measuring my firewood. I've got it measured down right now to a perfect 16 inches. And I'm going to show you how this works. Now, in my last video, I did get a comment from a guy saying, well, if you can't ice 16 inches, well, then that's your problem. Well, I call bullshit, buddy, because I've had to order a lot of firewood this year because we just recently bought this property. And I've got a lot of wood cut, but it's all fresh. So I had to buy some, and I tell you what, there's not too many people that can ice 16 inches. I got a lot of wood that don't even fit into my freaking wood burner that I got to reprocess. And other comments saying, well, doesn't that take a lot of additional time? Man, you tell me, but I'll show you how it works. 16 inches. Now, I would have some happy clients if I sold firewood. Everything I just cut was 16 inches, I guarantee it. You're welcome.